Everyone enjoys showering and drying off with a soft, clean towel. Especially when they get home from a hectic day. Eventually towels will absorb less and less and start to smell. In this video, we'll show you a clever technique for washing towels. This technique will help restore their original softness and cleanliness. The components for this recipe are white vinegar and baking soda. Baking soda is one of the best natural alternatives to laundry detergent. It cleans and gets rid of smells on its own. It works wonders at eliminating tough odors and stains from clothing. White vinegar can be a natural detergent. Its high acetic acid content makes it a fantastic cleaning product. This acid can help towels retain softness while cleaning, disinfecting, removing odor. Since white vinegar is neutral and has no artificial color or aroma, it is the ideal type of vinegar to use for cleaning. Consider the following ingredients: 1/2 cup of baking soda, 1 cup of white vinegar. Instructions: use hot water and vinegar to wash your towels in the washing machine. After this first wash, add baking soda. Wash again through one more cycle. Hang your towels outside to dry. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe for more advice and recipes.